What's up guys? This is chapter 2 of VirtualBox. Let's fix the error missing high. So this is no, yes, and finish. Google and type Python or use the link in the description below and download Python. Right click on it and click run. Okay, click add Python. Now and click run as administrator. Now I have included these two commands that should be they are in the description below, so copy and paste, enter. Now click the second command and click enter and let it do its job. So it says requirement already satisfied. Now exit. Now we're going to install the Oracle VirtualBox. Click it run as administrator. Next, next. There we go. The problem is solved. Now click finish to start the Oracle VirtualBox. There you go. Now your VirtualBox is completely installed, fully functional. The next video I hope to take you with a full VirtualBox tour where you can add voice to your VirtualBox and run it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and that's it for today.